Sitting here feeling lost without you. I toast to the moments, it's the truth. The sun is rising slowly, kissing the hills with gold. Those rodeo memories under those lights, we felt right at home, yeah. She loved the rodeo like me. I roped her hard, her heart's racing for me. I held her tight and we felt so free. She loved the rodeo and me. I thought about walking away from this place and leaving behind those echoes of love. Maybe one day we'll find a way into each other's arms again. We'll spend the night under those lights and watch them ride again, yeah. She loved the rodeo like me. I roped her hard, her heart's racing for me. I held her tight and we felt so free. Loved the rodeo and me. She loved the rodeo like me. I roped her hard, her heart's racing for me. Held her tight and we felt so